Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the obstacle avoidance priority on DJI ROMO. If you'd like to change it, because you can, I think it may be worth it because you'll see in a moment. I'll explain everything, but first let's go to those settings. So settings in the top right corner, obstacle avoidance settings, and if smart obstacle avoidance is enabled, then you can go to obstacle avoidance preference. And now you can change the settings. You can set it to cleaning priority, which will not make the robot avoid small objects or floors with complex textures and will attempt to enter under low furniture, which enhances the clean coverage. But of course, like if you have a lot of obstacles, you may want to set it to standard, which will intelligently do it, or obstacle avoidance priority, which may make the cleaning coverage lower but will avoid small objects and won't enter under low furniture. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.